This right here is a $1,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. It's a competition account, and if you fall in within the top 100, you're going to get money for it, and you can withdraw it and do whatever you like with it. Okay, so now this happens on the weekly. You can see I've gotten mine already. Yes, I've gotten mine. So go and claim yours right now. It's still available. It happens every week. Okay, so if you know that are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go as I show you how to claim the $1,000 Profirm account. The link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. So if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So you're going to be inputting your country of residence, your email, and your password. And you're going to click on this I consent to receiving marketing communications. Then after doing that, you just click on register. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so once you're done doing that, it's going to bring you over to this place where you are to verify your email. Okay, so as you can see, it's right here. An email has been sent to my Gmail, so I will just have to verify so that I can complete the profile registration. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this is the email right here. So I'm just going to click on it. So as you can see, they said I should verify my email, so I'll click on it also. It's loading. So my email address is verified. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. You can see it right here. Okay, so after email verification, the next thing for us to do is to verify our KYC. That is, you have to upload your documents, your NIN. Okay, and I've done that already. As you can see, my account is verified. Okay, so now the next thing for us to do is to click on this more right here, more icon down here. Okay, then we're going to click on competition. Like I said, it's a competition account. Okay, and if you did not claim it this week, you can claim it next week. It's always available every week. So after that, we're going to click on find competition. Okay, so you can see all the competitions that we have right here. You can see this one is free practice. Okay, and the maximum logs is 20%. You can also see this one is also free. This demo weekly is also free. So all these are the competitions that are available. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We're just going to click on this demo right here. Okay, so you can see it. So as you can see, the free entry, the entry fee is totally free, and you can see the competition name, you can see the total participants, you can see the active participants, you can see the maximum loss participants, you can see everything that you need to know about this. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is to click on start competition. Okay, so you can see, do you want to join for free? So before you enter the competition, you have to first fully read the terms and conditions. So once you click on this terms and conditions, that's where you're going to find the things you need to know about this prop firm. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this I confirm to the terms and conditions right here. Then I'm going to click on join. Okay, it's loading, so you can see you have successfully joined the competition, and you can see I've gotten my $1,000 prop firm account. Okay, so I'm just going to be trading right here in the site. Okay, so this is how to claim the $1,000 prop firm account. You can see it right here, it says loading. So we're going to be trading right here in the site. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section.